It is important to regularly clean and disinfect your Android or iPhone screens to maintain device and personal hygiene. To sanitize, use alcohol wipes with 70% isopropyl alcohol or 75% ethyl alcohol. A microfiber cloth and water can be used for light cleaning. Make sure to turn off and unplug your phone before cleaning. Wipe the screen, avoid openings, and remove the phone case if necessary. Let it dry before reattaching the case. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly to reduce fingerprints and smudges. Use a gentle touch when wiping and avoid excess wiping. For stubborn spots, use a slightly damp cloth with water or a water-alcohol mixture. Let the screen air dry. Consider applying a screen protector and using an oleophobic coating kit if needed. UVC sanitizers can also be used to kill bacteria on the phone surface.